Hello everyone! Today we are making a mermaid skirt using a printable pattern I purchased from Etsy. To begin, print and assemble the pattern. You'll need 3 front pieces, 3 back pieces, a waistband, and a zipper. I will be making some adjustments. First, I'm reducing the width of the hem, taking 2 inches from each side at the bottom corner, then connecting the line up to the knee. Repeat this step on all the pattern pieces. I'm also moving the zipper from the center back to the side. That means the back piece will be cut as one full panel, no seam down the middle. I've adjusted the waistband as well. There will be 1.5 inches wide when folded. Once you have your fabric pieces ready, let's begin sewing. Start with the lining darts. Instead of the back stitching at the point, tie off the thread by hands a few times. This gives a smoother and cleaner finish. Next, sew the front center panel to the side panels. Serge the seams and press them toward the center. Do the same for the back panels. Now let's install the invisible zipper. First, press the zipper teeth flat with an iron. This makes sewing easier. Serge the side seams where the zippers will go. Typically, that's the left side when worn. For the lining, serge the right side instead. Stitch the side seam from the hem up to 2 inches above the zipper's end. Adding fusible interfacing here helps keep the fabric from stretching. Switch to a zipper foot. And sew as close to the zipper teeth as possible. Attach the lining. Stitch the lining up to 3 inches above the zipper, so it goes 1 inch over the outer fabric. Align the right side of the lining to the wrong side of the zipper and sew. Then finish the rest of the side seams. And don't forget to serge. Let's move on to the waistband. Baste the outer fabric and lining together along the waistline. Pin it and starting at the back. Then stitch it all the way around the top. Sew the side seam of the waistband. Fold it inside out. Tuck in the seam allowance and press. Make sure the inner edge of the band slightly covers the seam line. Now stitch from the outside along the seam line. Check as you go to make sure you're catching the lining underneath. Lastly, let's hem the skirt. Fold the lining twice and stitch it down. Do the same for the outer fabric. Finish the side of the waistband with a button or hook and eye. And that's it. Your mermaid skirt is finished. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. See you next time.